is Melissa Vessels. I am the principal of New Highland Elementary School, and we are having an open house to kick off our 2026-2027 school year for our kindergarten through 5th grade students. So we have had a great turnout this evening as students are meeting and greeting their teachers, as well as completing transportation information and learning about what's coming for this upcoming school year.
She's going to be 503.
My name is Sarah Banker. I work for Hardin County Schools at New Highland Elementary as the kindergarten teacher. This is about my 7th year in kindergarten. We're here for open house tonight, meeting all of our families. Kindergarten, it's a little hectic for open house. All kinds of excited kiddos coming in, wanting to know all kinds of answers to their questions. We'll be here from 5 to 7 tonight, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.
And then the rest of it, you can just take home and read it yourself. You can put any kind of supplies. You can find your child's name. Okay. And then whatever paperwork, when you have that finished, you can just put it in their cubby as well. Okay.
Hi, my name is Lauren Martin. I'm a 2nd grade teacher at New Highland Elementary School. I love open house and meeting all of the new students. It's always a busy night, but it's very exciting to see their happy faces.
Okay, what you need? I want my name here, and then I sign it. Now if you use
I would just like to say this is the air on in the building.
love that.
Hi, my name is Sister Rico. I'm a 5th grade teacher here at New Highland Elementary, and I am so excited to meet all of the new students.
Go ahead.